Hello everyone, my name is Marunisha and I am from group 324 and today's my topic is 3.2, that is cutaneous sensation, in which we study mechanoreceptors. So the receptors associated with the sense of touch are structurally relatively simple. We shall group no receptors, pain receptors or thermoreceptors into this section because of their structural similarity, although strictly the sense of touch might be considered to be purely mechanical function. The structure of a nerve cell is discussed already, and the categorization of the simple receptors depend on the geometry of the dendrite endings. Pre-dendritic endings invade and pervade the body tissue and much like the roots of a plant do soil. These are among the smallest of the nerve fibers and are distributed almost everywhere in the body. No receptors and thermoreceptors are usually of this type, along with some mechanoreceptors. So the type of mechanoreceptors are no receptor and thermoreceptor. Some free endings twine around the roots of hairs and respond to the bending of hair, which others terminate in flat disc at the base of epidermis. Both of these type of mechanoreceptors and encapsulated dendrite endings are contained in a protective capsule of a connective tissue and so have the external appearance of the bulb of a plant. They are almost always mechanoreceptors. There are a number of variations of structure and encapsulated endings with particular geometries associated with particular types of mechanical stimulus. Mechanoreceptors respond to the stimulus of a mechanical load. There are several ways in which we might describe the load directly as or as a pressure or stress, but fundamentally we are interested in describing the mechanical stimulus to the receptor. In general, the load will be time dependent, so the load is proportional to time dependent, and the detailed design and structure of the mechanoreceptor will provide an efficient response to some characteristics of the loading function. In particular, some mechanoreceptors are designed to respond to the intensity of the load and some are designed to respond to the rate of change of load. The former are described as slowly adapting receptors and the latter as rapidly adapting receptors. In the limit and acid receptors simply respond to a static load. In principle, we might hope that the rate of generation of impulse might be proportional to the intensity of stimulus. So the rate of generation of impulse is proportional to stimulus. Proportional to stimulus. In practice, the response is directly non-linear, and furthermore there is a fatigue effect, so that the rate is not constant even for constant stimulus. Models of stimulus intensity response are discussed in more detail with respect to special senses. Thank you.